thank you for joining and watching to my tutorial videos. And for today's video, we are going to talk about multiplying fractions. And by the way, my name is Shainami B. Mondihar, a first-year College of Biz in Mathematics. And for today's video, we're going to understand how to multiply fractions. So we have heard the steps on how to multiply fractions. Let's say, for example, we have 1/2 times 2/3. So the first steps on how to multiply fraction is to multiply the top of the numbers, or what we call the numerator. So we have 1 and 2 as our numerators. So we're going to multiply it. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And for the second steps, we are going to multiply the bottom of the numbers. So what we call the denominator. So we have 2 and 3 as our denominator. So let's multiply the denominator. 2 times 3, we have 6. And the last steps, we are going to simplify the fractions if needed. So we know that 2 over 6 can be simplified. It is divisible by 2. So we're going to divide this by 2. So 2 divided by 2, we have 1. And 6 divided by 2, we have 3. So this is our final answer, 1/3. So for our next example, we have multiplying fractions with whole numbers. So let's say, for example, we have 1/5 times 2. So if we have whole numbers, we simply put 1 as a denominator. So we can now solve it. So we're going to multiply the numerator. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So this is now our answer. And for our another example, let's say we have 3 over 9 times 2. So again, we are going to put 1 as our denominator, so we can now solve it. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 9 times 1 equals 9. So we can now simplify it by dividing both by 3. So 6 divided by 3, we have 2, and 9 divided 3, we have 3. So this is now our final answer, 2/3. And for our next example, we have multiplying fractions to fractions. Let's say we have the problem 1/3 times 1/2 times 3/4. So what we are going to do is multiply first the numerator rather. So we have 1 times 1 is equal to 1 times 3 is equal to 3. And multiply the denominator. We have 3 times 2, we have 6, and 6 times 4, we have 24. So we can now simplify this. So this is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So we have 3 divided by 3, we have 1 over 24 divided 3, 8. So 1/8 is our final answer. And the next, we have multiplying whole numbers by fraction. So let's say, for example, we have 3 and 1/5 times 2/4. So we are going to copy the denominator 5, and then we are going to multiply this one. 3 times 5, we have 15, and add this one. 15 plus 1, we have 16. We have 16 over 5 times 2 over 4. So we have 16 times 2, we have 32 over 5 times 4, we have 20. So we can now simplify it. This is divisible by this is divisible by 4. So 32 divided by 4, we have 8 over 5. So this is now our final answer, 8 over 5. If you like this video, please click like, and thank you for watching.